Bilfinger.
Bilfinger Maintenance works for Münzing under a value performance contract. This means the customer has an all-round package for everything that is not its core business. All non-production tasks are handled by Bilfinger. The permanent team on site consists of 10 people. Depending on the workload and required services, it is possible that up to 30 people are at our facility to execute the necessary tasks.
We have
been working with Bilfinger for 9 years now. Bilfinger provides us with a full-service offering for periodic inspection, maintenance, and also investment projects. For these purposes, Bilfinger has its own workshop on site. If needed, they can call in additional specialists and staff from central workshops in Mannheim. This helps us a lot. As a smaller, medium-sized company, we wouldn't be prepared to have so many workers and specialists around at all times. Now this is a condition-based maintenance workflow. Here we have connected a mobile sensor that automatically notifies the responsible maintenance manager if a threshold value is exceeded. The maintenance manager can then generate a service order, assign it to a team member, and provide all the required information. At the facility, the worker carries out the task. In this case, a torn filter element caused the differential pressure to drop and must be replaced with a new one. After that, the facility can be put back into operation. The advantage is that you notice issues relatively quickly, with no need for constant monitoring, and you can respond swiftly in the interest of the customer. Our cooperation with Münzing is a very close and flexible partnership at eye level. If an issue arises, we always find a solution, usually in a flexible and informal way. It is pretty much like working with colleagues. It makes no difference that we wear different uniforms.